Everybody, how you doing? We got a little bit of an unboxing to do. We've got what's called a micro polishing pin, or an engraving pin, or a cleaning pin. It depends on who you talk to. It's a 3-speed up to 1800 RPM, I guess you'd call it. Let's see, got the instructions, got some cutting wheels, some drill bits, a bunch of bits for it, the charging cable, and there's the pin itself. Let's see if it came charged. Speed 2, speed 3, it is charged, but let's put it on the charging cable before we give it a test and see how it works for us. Well, alright, I got it charged up. Didn't take very long, like not even 5 minutes. It does say it's a fast charging, but I imagine it was mostly charged at the factory. And I installed the bit. The bit goes in real easily. It just pulls out, pushes right in, doesn't need any type of tool to install it. Has 3 speeds, 1, 2, 3. And then it shows you if you start overloading it, and it says that if it's running the overload for too long, that it'll automatically shut down to keep from burning down the motor. So what I primarily plan on using it for is small, precise cleaning, getting into areas where I want to do some soldering. I want to make sure it's a good clean spot to solder. I'll be able to clean it up. Other things like to remove some paint on a small, I do model railroading, so to get into small areas, maybe remove glue, some dried glue, things like that. And it comes with some drill bits, a little cutting wheel. So yeah, if I want to do a little bit of drilling or something, it'll allow me to get in there a lot easier than trying to use a big giant hand drill or something like that. And same with as opposed to using my Dremel, you know, trying to get the Dremel tool out and get it plugged in and get the chuck out and install everything, where this I can just go really quick and easy. So I think this will be a pretty big time saver as far as doing a lot of that stuff. So yeah, let's try it out. I got this little cutter here. I've been needing to get out the Dremel tool so I could get into this area. So I ain't gonna bore you with this. I'm gonna do a little bit and then we'll test it out. Well, alright, I put a tiny little bit of oil on the blade, and yeah, snip that, no problem. This is rubber. Sharpened right up, no problem. Quick and easy. Alright, we got this little guy who's been painted up, and he's got overlapping paint everywhere. So let's see how it would be about removing some of that extra paint. Oh yeah. No problem. Imagine just rub it down. See about that. Oh yeah, that'll clean things up pretty quick and easy. And it had no problem engraving right into metal real quick, as you can see. Yeah. Well, alright, so overall I seem to be pretty happy with it. I've just started out with it. I have not used it too much, but just tinkering around, it seems to be able to do quite a few little versatile things. It's going to be able to help me with my model railroading and building models and repairing trains. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I got this off of eBay. It was on sale for $15. Came with everything you see. It's got some cutting wheels, a couple drill bits, 3 cutting wheels in the attachment, a bunch of little bits for it, and the charging cable, and charges right into the back. So alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day.